family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We are going to review the new Replica fragrance called Afternoon Delight, okay? So if you want to know my thoughts on the new Replica fragrance, just keep watching. So I was able to test this fragrance for a little bit, okay? So I have the travel size, and I'll tell you why I have the travel size. One, Replica has been good for me at times, right? You all know, if you are not new to this channel, that Replica on a date, we wasn't on a date. The date was no. And if you like Replica on a date, that's a good date for you. It just wasn't a good date for me, okay? To each his own. But there have been some fragrances that I just have not really enjoyed. I know you all love it. Oh my goodness, you are probably going to be like, what? Yo sis does not like Jazz Club. I don't like that fragrance from Replica. I know that there are several of you that love Jazz Club. It was too masculine. It was too much. It was too smoky. It wasn't. Nope, didn't like that one. But there are some that I have found that I love. Right, I do love Replica by the Fireplace. Some of you all might not like that. The burning, kind of smoking. I know I just got done talking about Jazz Club, but I do like the Fireplace one because I feel like it has a sweetness to it, in my opinion, on my body. And then I also love Replica's Bubble Bath. Oh my goodness, I enjoy that fragrance a lot, okay? So there are some that I've had success and some that I haven't. So I was really cautious about this one, but it looked so yummy. But let's get into it, okay? So is this versatile? I would say not so much, okay? When I think of versatility, I think that you can wear it like any season, anytime, any part of the day. No, okay? So let's go to what occasion I think that this would be great with. Probably a day date, I would say. And this is very much an easy reach fragrance. So like if you have errands to run, I think this would be really good, especially during like the fall, winter. I don't know about winter. Let's pause on the winter, but definitely fall. This will be really good in the fall season. It is very coming of that season, I can say. So again, day, fall, date, and for errands, okay? So very casual type of fragrance in my opinion, all right? Moving on. So when it comes to packaging, it's okay. I think the only thing I do not like about the Replica packaging is that it doesn't have a cap to it. So I don't know if it's interesting, okay? Because it does not go bad or anything for me, but I would love Replica to have a cap. I don't know. I'm just like a cap girl. I feel like it's sealed, signed, sealed, delivered. Now, the travel size does have the cap, so you know that's cute, but the actual bottle, I would say that would be my only thing I don't really like. It gives me medicine. It gives me doctor's office, you know. It gives me scientist. That bottle gives me a little science, doctor's office. It's not my favorite bottle, but if you know me, I have family members out there that packaging is a major deal, okay? Me, I like the juice more than the packaging, so I can have like uncute packaging and be okay. But that's me, you know, but it does give me medicine, hospital, doctor's office, but it is the same packaging as all the replicas, okay? Moving on. Now, let's talk about price. So, for the travel size, it's $35, okay? If you are looking for, they also have a 1 ounce. If you're looking for that, it's about 85 US dollars. But if you're looking for the 3.4 ounce bottle, it is $165, okay? So I do like that they have the 3-tier price if you're looking to, purchase a 1 ounce, because 1 ounce is becoming definitely a thing. Because if you have a large collection, honey, everything doesn't have to be a 3.4 ounce, okay? You're like, oh, for what? But the 1 ounce has been really popular lately. I know even Parfums de Marley has a 1 ounce so 1 ounce has been really popular because you still get a full bottle, you get the juice, but I feel like you get to really utilize it and not kind of waste money, right? You know what I'm saying? So that's my thought on the price, okay? So is this feminine or masculine? I would say that this is definitely a feminine fragrance, okay? In my opinion, it definitely leans more feminine. But men, if you are interested, because we're going to get into the notes and all the things and my thoughts, right? But if you're interested, men, yeah, I might be turned off. I might be turned off. But if you are into kind of a feminine flair of a fragrance, then, rock out with this. But if you're looking for a hard...
You angry at breakfast? You gangbanging on bacon? This
is... cologne, this not it. This not it, bro. It's not it, okay? But get it for your significant other, your boo thing, or your mom, or somebody that you love. You can get this for them, right? So still listen in, all right? Moving on. So this was launched this year. It's a new fragrance. And let's get into the notes, okay? So notes, we have vanilla, whipped cream, sandalwood, musk, and madeleine. Now, madeleine, I believe, is like a cookie. So when I looked at the picture, it looks like this kind of a vanilla wafer cookie. Now, I don't think I've had it. It looks familiar, but I feel like it's not named that. It looks familiar though, but it's a cookie. It's like a vanilla cookie. I don't know if it's like a sugar cookie. It might be equivalent to a sugar cookie, but the picture gives me cookie. Okay, so that's what sparked my mind, because your sis, cookie, cake, pies, ice cream, bubblegum, milkshakes, all the things bring the boys to the yard. All the things of the cookie, cakes, candy, all those things will always spark my interest, okay? So I was down. I was down for this one. And let's talk about my full thoughts, okay? Since you already can see my facts. When I put it on, I had to do that. When I put it on, yeah, even though nobody was around me. I've been testing it out in the house. Now, I have not worn, well, I can't say that because I picked up food, okay? So I did pick up food, but when I'm, around people. I was around people, but not people. It's a difference. But I did go out for lunch and grab something and came back type of thing. So I was more in my car, in my home, testing this out. Either way, okay, I still got some thoughts. She good. She is amazing. Now, sis, what does she smell like? She smell like a cookie milk. A milk cookie. How do you want to say it? It is vanilla. It is a creamy cookie, vanilla wafer, milky, letonic. Is that what you want me to say? Okay. Letonic fragrance. Okay. This is great. If you like commodities, milk fragrance, I think you would love this, okay? Absolutely amazing. But I'm going to tell you, when I first smelled this, what it gave me remnants of, okay? And I know somebody about to say something. They about to say something smart. But that's okay, because I have to give you my thoughts, my real thoughts. But you gonna say something smart, that's fine if you do. But I'm gonna tell you what I got, okay? And you might not have the same experience, and you like, oh, sis, never know how. My body chemistry. But I'm gonna tell you what it reminded me of, okay? It gave me, I said it, the Harmonious Moon Glory. It gave me, take out the floral. That's the only thing. Take the floral out of this. Take the floral out of this. And this is the little sister. This is the grown, niche, bougie, older sister. She is on her way up there. She is the little sister that is trying to be like big sis, right? When I tell you I smelled this, I immediately said, let me go over to the other side of the lab because this is giving me moon glory. Let me smell it. I say yes, 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 and yes. So if you like moon glory, again, taking out that floral note that's in here, and you want like a lighter eau de toilette version of moon glory, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Now I will say, don't come over here if you do not like a latonic milky scent. She not your friend. She not your friend. Okay? If you don't like milk, she not your friend. Because you definitely gonna get that creamy milk up in here. But, ... Is she good? Sis, when I tell you, I'm not gonna hold you up. She getting a large bottle. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna get the 3.4, but I am definitely getting the 1 ounce. Period. I might get the 3.4 because right now the 1 ounce is sitting at sold out. You know, like it's gone. No more for the users, right? But I either might wait for the 1 ounce or I might get the 3.4 ounce. I wouldn't care. I want this fragrance in full bottle. Period. She is so good for the fall season. This is amazing. And when I tell you this lingered on my body, so I would say after a while, like maybe half a day of work for me, like, 5-6 hours or something like that, then it was definitely sitting close to skin. I had to put my nose in it to smell it. But when I started to wave, you all listen, go with it. When I started to wave my hands and the fragrance, if you're new to this channel, I talk with my hands. Problems? We good? Okay, we good? Cause we still family? We good. Okay, I talk with my hands. But when I started waving my hands and the fragrance was just going, even after that 5 to 6 hour mark, I was still smelling it. And it was so good. This is good. This fragrance is very good. So if you're looking for a heavier cookie scent, I would say, not so much, but you will smell the cookie, like almost like the wafer of it all, like a vanilla wafer. It's light, but if you don't mind a latonic vanilla creme. Anyway, you know what I'm saying, cream. If you're looking for a vanilla cream milky scent, look no further. It's very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. It's amazing. If you did not want to experience this or did not want to pay this price, or maybe the floral in this turns you off. You like everything else, but the floral in this, she your girl. She your friend. I was about to say, she your queen, but I'm not going to say queen to be because she ain't queen, but she your friend. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again.
Hey, so we started from the bottom, now we're here, girl. Oh yeah.
Your heart is true. You're a bow and a confidant. And slow it. And if you... Okay. Ooh. She just comes over, you know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness, have you met her? She just comes over me. But this is so good. So let me know your thoughts, family. I would love to know, what do you think? Would you get this? Does this sound... I mean, it gives you deliciousness, but just in a different way. Is she sexy? Is that what you said? I mean, it's a day. How sexy can you be at a day? Would you be sexy at a day? Tell me. Let me know in the comment section. You sexy at a day? Let me see. I don't know if she gives me sexy, but she certainly gives me like pretty girl. You know, she certainly gives me like put together, mysterious. What is that? You know, she gives me one of those. Sexy? I mean, I think, like, I wouldn't be wearing no red dress with this. Are you wearing a red dress with this? Did my description give you red dress? I don't think it'd be red dress. But, yeah. What would I wear with this? Because we're going into a fall. I don't know if I would wear like long boots, you know, it would definitely be like short boots, real cute booty boots, jean, you know. Would it give me blazer? It doesn't even give me blazer. It maybe give me a jean and a cute like thing. She's like, what's the thing? A cute like t-shirt with like a cute saying on it. That's what I'm trying to, you know. You feel me? You was putting in the blanks for me. You know, girl, you know, work with your sis. Ooh. We still family. But like the t-shirt and the name on it, like it gives me that. Like even if you tied it up, like real like, you know, cute, like, But I wouldn't tie it up on the boobs. Like it would be like a little cute little midriff. Just little. But that's what it gives me. It gives me very casual, cute, pretty girl date in the fall with the booty. It gives me one of them. It does definitely not give me no red dress. You is definitely not wearing no red dress with this. If you wear a red dress with this, tell me why. You comment down below. I just want to know why. I'm just nosy. I just want to know why. Make sure you subscribe. You like, where did we just go? Make sure you subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. I would love to know if you have tried this fragrance and what are your thoughts, okay? Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.